Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Is it really possible to generate income without leaving the comfort of your home? Yes, it is. This isn't just a fanciful dream, it's a reality for thousands of people around the world. The digital landscape has opened up a plethora of opportunities to earn money, and one of these comes in the form of an innovative platform called Neighbor.com. You might be asking, what's so special about Neighbor.com? Well, it redefines the way we think about earning money online. It's not about selling products or services. Instead, it's about leveraging what you already own, your unused space. Whether it's your basement, your garage, or an extra room in your house, Neighbor.com allows you to monetize it. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to start earning money online with Neighbor.com. So, what exactly is Neighbor.com? Let's dive in. At its core, Neighbor.com is a self-storage marketplace. It's a platform that ingeniously connects people who have extra space with those who are in dire need of it. Think of it as the Airbnb for storage. It's a simple yet innovative idea. You have a garage, a basement, or even a spare room that's gathering dust. Why not put it to good use? And on the other side of the coin, there are people out there who need a place to store their belongings, whether it's their classic car, their antique collection, or just their seasonal decorations. This is where Neighbor.com comes into play. It provides a secure, user-friendly platform for this exchange to take place. The process is straightforward and it's all done online. Neighbor.com provides a unique way to earn money by simply renting out your unused space. Wondering how to get started with Neighbor.com? Here's a step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need to sign up. This is a simple process. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and location. It's just like signing up for any other online service. Once you've signed up, you're ready to list your space. This could be anything from your unused garage, a vacant room, or even an empty lot. You'll need to provide a detailed description of the space, including its size and any special features it might have. The more information you provide, the easier it is for potential renters to decide if your space fits their needs. One tip here is to take clear, well-lit photos of your space from multiple angles. This helps give potential renters a clear idea of what they're getting. Now, on to setting the price. This can be a little tricky. You want to make sure you're charging a fair price, but also one that reflects the value of your space. Do a little research. See what similar spaces in your area are going for. And remember, you can always adjust your price later if you're not getting the bookings you expected. Once you've listed your space and set your price, all you have to do is wait for bookings. When someone is interested in your space, they'll send you a booking request. You can then review the request, communicate with the potential renter if you have any questions, and accept or decline the booking. It's as simple as that. And here's the best part. Once you've accepted a booking, you start earning. The renter pays through the secure Neighbor.com platform, and the money is transferred directly to your bank account. No need to worry about handling cash or chasing down payments. It's all handled for you. And there you have it. You're all set to start earning on Neighbor.com. Now let's talk about some tips and tricks to optimize your earnings on Neighbor.com. First off, it's all about clarity. Providing clear, detailed descriptions of your space is essential. This is your chance to sell your space to potential renters. Highlight the features, the size, the location, and any other noteworthy details. Remember, the more information you provide, the more likely a renter will feel comfortable reserving your space. Next, let's talk about photos. Good quality pictures can make a world of difference. They provide a visual representation of your space, giving potential renters a better idea of what they're getting. So, dust off that camera and start snapping. Show every angle, every corner, and every unique feature of your space. But remember, honesty is key. Make sure your photos accurately represent your space. Pricing, it can be a tricky business. But here's a tip. Keep it competitive. Research what others are charging for similar spaces in your area and price accordingly. You want to attract renters, not scare them away with sky-high prices. But at the same time, don't sell yourself short. Find that sweet spot where your price is attractive to renters, yet still profitable for you. Now, the cherry on top, excellent customer service. Responding quickly to inquiries, being accommodating to renters' needs, and resolving any issues promptly and professionally can set you apart from the competition. Good customer service not only attracts renters, but it also keeps them coming back. In the world of Neighbor.com, repeat business is gold. Finally, remember that building trust is key. The more trust you can foster with your renters, the more successful you'll be. Be transparent, be reliable, and most importantly, be neighborly. Remember, success on Neighbor.com comes from providing value and building trust with renters. So what makes Neighbor.com a unique online earning platform? Neighbor.com offers several benefits that make it stand out in the realm of online earning platforms. The first and perhaps the most enticing benefit is the potential for earning passive income. Imagine transforming your empty garage, attic, or spare bedroom into a money-making asset. By renting out your unused space, you can generate a steady stream of income without any extra effort. It's like having a tenant who never complains or needs repairs. But the benefits don't stop at passive income. Neighbor.com also offers a level of flexibility that is truly unparalleled. You have complete control over who rents your space, when they can access it, and for how long. This means you can tailor your rental agreements to suit your schedule, your comfort level, and your financial goals. It's a level of freedom and autonomy that is rarely found in traditional employment or even other online earning platforms. Security is also a major benefit of Neighbor.com. All payments are made through the platform, so there's no need to worry about handling cash or chasing down late payments. Plus, the platform provides a secure messaging system so you can communicate with potential renters without sharing your personal contact information. But perhaps one of the most distinctive benefits of Neighbor.com is the insurance coverage. Every rental agreement comes with a $1 million host guarantee, offering peace of mind and protection against potential damages. And because Neighbor.com understands that every situation is unique, they also offer additional insurance options to fit your specific needs. In a nutshell, Neighbor.com is more than just an online earning platform. It's a community, a marketplace, and a tool for financial empowerment. It's a way to make the most of what you have while also providing a valuable service to others in need of affordable storage. With Neighbor.com, you can make money from your unused space while helping others find affordable storage solutions. To wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by discussing the concept of online earnings and how it's become an increasingly popular avenue to generate income. In this digital age, more and more people are finding innovative ways to turn their resources into revenue streams. And one such platform that allows you to do this is Neighbor.com. We then dove into what Neighbor.com is all about. It's a peer-to-peer self-storage platform that connects people with extra space to those who need it. Think of it as the Airbnb for storage. It's a brilliant concept that not only helps people find affordable storage options, but also allows people with unused space to earn money. Next, we explored how to get started on Neighbor.com. It's a simple process that involves listing your space, setting your price, and waiting for bookings. We emphasize the importance of providing clear and honest information about your space to attract potential renters. Remember to include details about the size and condition of the space, and any specific rules or restrictions that apply. We also shared some tips for success on Neighbor.com. Just like any business venture, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience, effort, and a bit of marketing savvy to succeed. One tip we highlighted was the importance of providing excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, which can attract more bookings. Finally, we discussed the numerous benefits of using Neighbor.com beyond the obvious financial gains. Using the platform can also lead to meaningful connections with your neighbors, a reduction in clutter in your home, and the satisfaction of knowing you're helping someone out. So are you ready to turn your extra space into cash with Neighbor.com? Start today and join the community of thousands earning money online.